Hey guys, Ryan here. I'm here with Louise. We're at Flow Martial Arts in Coolangatta on the Gold Coast. We're going to look at a technique from the guard today. It's based on the Tominagi sweep, which is a traditional judo style sweep, but we're going to add an armbar into it. So it's called the helicopter armbar. Let's have a look. So for those of you who have done a Tominagi sweep before, it's simply a back roll and taking this person over. So let's have a look at that very quickly. 4-finger grip, breaking the grip, coiling in, and rolling back. Now our second technique is going to use similar principles to that. With this armbar, I want to similarly establish the seatbelt position across his hips, because that's going to be what I use to extend him. My right hand here is grabbing the same side collar, because I'm going to punch his shoulder this way, like so. Luis has established his grips, so I want to take his grip. This is the arm I'm going to armbar, so this is the arm I want to take. 4 fingers on top and breaking his arm off. Just like the Tominagi we just demonstrated, I'm going to suck him in, this time punching here and taking the arm. So let's do it in motion. 4-finger grip, collar grip, 4 fingers, suck him in, punching up, and I'm twisting my hips to come over. So it's not so much Louise that turns, but me that turns. Once here guys, keep this arm very tight. You can attack it with your whole body if you like. Rolling back, squeezing your knees, hips up. Here we're doing the helicopter armbar. First thing is, just like the Tominagi, I'm establishing a 4-finger grip on the arm I want to armbar. My other hand is grabbing the same side collar. Exactly like the Tominagi sweep, we're pulling in, extending our legs. Now my right hand is going to punch his shoulder one way, and at the same time I'm pivoting my hips under him. We roll back into the armbar position. Legs are squeezing. If I want to use my body against his arm, I'm hugging, extending back, hips in the air, and we apply the armbar.